Members of the press, I'm very glad to be here in Garissa. As you know, this is a landmark in various ways. This is a landmark, first of all, it is the first office ever to be built under the name of the Office of the Auditor General. And we are also proud that it is been built outside Nairobi to show the inclusiveness of Kenya as a whole. So it's a mark of inclusiveness. It's a mark of knowing that Kenya is one, and it's a mark which marks the unity of Kenya to us. But also it's a testimony that we the Kenyans, when we mean to work to deliver, we can deliver. As you know, this building has been delivered by the public works. We've used all the government institutions to deliver this building. It has been delivered in a record time for the main structure of the building within 13 months, within the budget. And for the outside work and the beautification you see in front of us here, took another 4 or 5 months. So in effect, as you see, we've delivered this with a cost of, within 18 months, with a cost of 160 million shillings. And you can see it is beautiful. You can see it's changed. I wish you would come here at night to see when it is lit. Then you would know that there's been value. And in this, we also want to thank very much our National Treasury for availing the funds, and that to assure them and to assure you, the Kenyans, that the money you've given to this office has been well used. And we hope that it is going to be an example of that the government can work, government projects can be done in good record time at reasonable value. So we hope that this is going to be an example of a good usage of public resources, because I think anybody seeing what we've done and with the money, if you tell them the budget and the cost of it, most people don't believe, because in other places they would say this would even go for $500 million. But we are just saying we delivered this at a cost of 160. And I think it is a testimony to our sincerity to accountability. It's a testimony to our sincerity to accountability, just to show what value for money, what each shilling can give us if we were to use them fairly well. Now, when we talk of historical, Kenya is known professionally to be ahead of many of our neighbors, many countries in Africa. I can say that this is a slow start, but at least one of, but if we compare with other regions, the other offices have their own homes, their own buildings. Uganda has its own building, Tanzania has its own building and many offices. Rwanda has the main office of the Auditor General building. South Sudan is built a new building for the office of the Auditor General. In Kenya, we are still renting spaces, and this office has been here for since 1953. So we have lagged behind, and I think this is a beginning, and we hope it's just a first step for many. We are going to do one where we've been given land in Kakamega. We are planning another one in Eldoret. So we are going to at least increase the public value of our money and investment. This is an investment, not to the Office of the Auditor General only, but to the County of Garissa. Now, in terms of what it means that we are now more closer to audit the resources of Wanjiku. We are much more on the ground. Now, with this building, people around now know that there is somebody watching over their resources. As you know, from Nairobi, we used to now come once in a while here to look at, and you can imagine during the time when we are not there, how people can also be lax in using the resources. So our presence here means that we can now do better work. But the work which we are trying to do is we should now go beyond just the books, what is recorded in the books. It is to go beyond and ask whether the money we are using, we are saying we are spending as a government, as what is really going to the benefit to deliver for Wanjiku, to the ordinary person. So we are now trying to do more work to make sure we give assurance to the ordinary person that the money which is budgeted is recorded well, but most importantly, it has led to delivery in what the Kenyan citizenry want. In other words, clean water, shelter, and all, to eradicate poverty. So we are hoping that we're going to do that. And I think, as you know now, more resources are going to the counties. We need to spread our wings in bigger. As you know, now Kenya there's the mother Kenya and there's the 47 mini Kenyans, which are the counties, and which are increasingly getting more resources. And increasingly, we are trying to ensure that those resources are used well. So with that, I think increasingly, there's been this devolution has brought its challenges, but it is here to stay, and I think we can work on it and it can produce more benefit if offices such as the Auditor General's office assures Kenya in a timely manner that the money which comes down is used for the benefit of Wanjiku. So with that, members of the press, I'm really grateful, and in case you have one or two questions, I can be able to respond. Yes, we are coming. We are trying. There's Kakamega. I've just mentioned Kakamega, and then we are also trying to do one in Eldoret.
And then this office is serving